In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Gmail signature with Calendly. First, log into your Gmail account so you can access your email settings. Once you're in your inbox, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the settings gear icon. A quick settings panel will appear, and from there, select See All Settings to open the full settings page. You should now be in the General tab. Stay there and scroll down until you find the Signature section. This is where Gmail lets you create and manage email signatures. Click Create New, then enter a name for your signature. This name is just for your own organization, especially helpful if you plan to use more than one signature. After that, begin entering the information you want to appear in your signature. This might include details like your name, job title, company, phone number, and email address. Keep it clean and professional so it's easy for recipients to read. Next, open Calendly in a separate browser tab and copy your scheduling link. This is the link people will use to book time with you. Once you've copied it, return to Gmail and in your signature, type the text you want people to click on, such as schedule a meeting or book a call. Choose wording that's clear and inviting. Now highlight that text, then click the Insert Link button in the signature editor. A small link window will pop up. Paste your Calendly scheduling link into the URL field, then click OK to add the link. At this point, your clickable booking link should now be part of your Gmail signature. Take a moment to review the completed signature. Make sure the formatting looks good and that the link text is easy to spot. If you want this signature to appear automatically, go to the Signature Defaults section and select it for new emails and for replies and forwards, if desired. This saves time and keeps your emails consistent. Once everything looks right, scroll all the way to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. This is an important final step because Gmail won't apply your updates unless you save them. Finally, compose a new email and verify that the Calendly booking link appears in your Gmail signature. You can also test the link to make sure it opens the correct scheduling page. Thanks for watching.